To set Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra to ask you the do not disturb duration each time you enable it, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find notification. Tap notification and then tap do not disturb. Tap for how long and then select ask every time. Tap OK button to save the change. By doing this, each time you enable do not disturb manually like this, you will always be asked for how long you want the do not disturb to stay on after you enable it. You can consider having the setting if you like to be provided with the option to change the duration each time you manually enable the do not disturb, so that you can easily adjust the duration to fit with your need. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.